Hi guys, this is Felicia Loves and welcome to my channel. As promised, this is my Valentine home tour. I love Valentine's Day. Of course, I love most holidays, but Valentine's Day is very special to me. My husband and I were engaged on Valentine's Day. So I don't go all out, but I do decorate. This is my front porch, so welcome into my home. Please feel free to write in the comments any questions you may have about items that you see that you're interested in. If they are available, I will send you the link. If not, I will let you know. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy, and please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy this Valentine's Day home tour, and let me know if you would like to see more home tours on my channel. Thank you guys. Okay guys, this is my Rae Dunn Valentine Hutch filled with Valentine's pretties and Rae Dunn. I'm going to show you several different views of this hutch up close and personal because this was a highly requested video by most of my subscribers. You wanted to see the hutch actually, so I'm going to allow you to see each section of the hutch up close. Let me know if you have any questions down below.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up, time is barely on our side.
Okay guys, this is my jelly and jam. My friend Lisa got these for me and I didn't unwrap them. I didn't get to haul them for you guys, but I really love these and they do have a place somewhere in here. I know it's not a lot of room left, but they're gonna go somewhere in here. So I want to thank her for that, and I hope you guys are enjoying it thus far. Lots and lots of Rae Dunn, lots and lots of fun. That was my Valentine's Hutch. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I'm going to show you the kitchen part of the tour, which includes some tiered trays as well as my Valentine Coffee Bar. So enjoy.
Time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left. storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my Valentine's tour. This is the pictures. I want you guys to stay tuned because there are a couple things that I may have forgot to put in the actual video, but I do have pictures of. So stay tuned and watch those things. And then after you're done watching, as always, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.
We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you, with you. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can